Bros and hams, bros, bro, hams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bedwars. Today, I am recording in 100 FPS. Now, just because I am recording in 100 FPS, I want to know if you guys like it more. Now, normally I record in 60 FPS because with shaders, I get around 60. But I'm thinking, what if I just don't use shaders and I record with 100 FPS? And, so that's what I'm doing right now. The first game will be with 100 FPS, second game will be 60 FPS, and I think it'll go pretty well. Alright, so I'm just going to build over to this guy. Is he going to come up to me or is he going to run past? He's going to die. And dead. Cool. So I'm pretty sure YouTube downscales it to 60 FPS anyway, but I've seen people who like record their videos in 400 FPS and they're like, it's better than doing it before. That was a perfect timing to get that final kill. I didn't think that was going to be that perfect of timing, but it was. Wow. So I'm just over here making my way over to blue. I think the blue and red, I every time I say this, it just looks like Cookie Monster and Elmo colors. Like, it just does. Like, do you guys see it? Like, there's the dark blue, there's the red, especially when they come together. It's just like, wow, that's Sesame Street right there. I think someone will probably be coming for me soon. I don't know though. Alright, this guy is dead, maybe? What was that? He just hit me on top of that bed defense and it messed up everything. And there we go, that's a bed. Alright, now it's a people, everyone's here. Hopefully Pink can get that kill. He's so low. Please, Pink. I mean, I put faith in him, but I honestly don't know. Yes, finally I got him. Jeez. Alright, so this is the second game, which is 60 FPS with shaders. They aren't the shaders I normally use. They're the vibrant shaders that some people use. I believe Sammy Green uses them. I don't know who else. But yeah, they're just vibrant, and it's pretty nice. That guy disconnected. But yeah, as you see, I normally get like 60 to 100 FPS, which is why I only record in the 60. Now, I don't know which shaders I prefer, like the enhanced default or the basic shaders. The basic shaders are the vibrant, and the enhanced default are the ones with the shadows. And I'm liking them both, to be honest. It's just, they're clean. This guy is here. Yes, now he's a final. Good. That guy got flawless. I like how people, whenever I kill the person they want to kill, they're like, thank you so much. But then it just makes no sense. Because, like, now you have to go through me. And I kind of flawless that guy. So if you were having trouble with him, I am sorry to tell you, but you are not going to win. So yellow's there, which means pink should be there too, if I'm correct. Guy's sharpness, I'm gonna go above his base and see what he's doing. Bye. That was kind of a rip for that dude. Honestly though, this guy wants me to warp. This guy wants to warp me out. And now I'm up here. Now I took like no damage. That was a perfect TNT jump. For this guy, he's gonna try to jump up to me or something, and I'm going to knockback stick him off. Or I'm just gonna get clapped because he's actually good at this game. Alright, can I kill him though? I don't know. Yes, I can. Let's go. Alright, is that gonna get him? That should. Yeah, I think that's a win. Let's go. Alright, well, I'm doing a game of SkyWars now because just to give you guys the perspective of the different shaders. So, I mean, here they are. I probably won't win because, you know, it's SkyWars and I don't really play SkyWars. I'm just gonna bow this guy. Is that gonna land? That did land. Is it Time Warp Pearl though? Maybe. I don't know though. He died. Alright, well, I still don't have a chest plate, so I don't know how I'm going to win this. just gonna keep trying at this guy. This guy was very angry. Okay, well, I'm down here now. I don't know really how to get out of here. Well, I just need a chest plate. If I can kill that guy, get his stuff, and then pearl away. Okay, or of course not. I can't though. Dude, am I just gonna like not win with a chest plate? I've done that before, but now it's actually like, now it's like I actually have to because respawn's not till a while. This guy is mid loot though, so I mean it's like I don't think I'll win this, but I can still try. Now I have a little bit more of a chance, I believe. But yeah, I don't know. If I win this game, there's like absolutely no chance, right? I mean, I ran out of arrows. This guy has way more stuff than I do. Alright, alright, did I actually win? Let's go! That was actually a pretty nice game for me, at least. I don't really play SkyWars. Yeah, dude, GG's. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for the 100 FPS Bedwars. Now, so if you guys want, decide in the comments below which one you preferred best, number 1, number 2, or number 3. Number 1 is just, basically it's if you want 100 FPS or not, and then the other question is which shaders should I use? Should I use the one where it's vibrant, or should I use the one where there's shadows? Or should I just not use one at all and go for 100 FPS Bedwars? So guys, you decide in the comments below. This is another episode of Bedwars. Goodbye.